2, 1. Got smoke. Nice boost. All righty, he's in good shape. He'll be landing on the front field. Good job, Jason. Okay, we'll let that get a little bit closer to the ground. The next one that's going up is going to be Jeff Howard with Team DeWalt. This is a 6-inch O motor in it. And a little bit of information about this rocket while Jason's coming down. This is the third flight of Team DeWalt. The rocket is 15 inches in diameter and 15 feet in length. Pad weight's 180 pounds. It is constructed of fiberglass with carbon fiber over foam fins. The first flight was a 3-grain 20% O. Second flight was a 4-grain 30% O. This flight is a 5-grain 99% O. Or call it a 0% P motor. Call it a fetus P. It's 40,000.